Welcome back, Quell Pack, to another update video. I am currently doing a multiplayer, I guess, template, so to speak, in Unreal Engine. I am going through a tutorial provided by Unreal Engine. Just some things that I've got done. It's showing me how to organize everything. I have my blueprints for all the levels, just information that is shared throughout the whole game. The game info, how it gathers the player's name and stuff. The local player save, which is where your name is saved and then uploaded to the server for others to actually view. We have the character blueprints, which is just, it deals with the animations, if I remember correctly. Let me just open it up. No, it deals with the movement. This is all the movement code for the characters, and they are actually parents. Let's see. I don't think it says it. But this base, 0_base, is like the parent, and these are all the children. It's the different characters that are actually in there, so you can have a character. I will have a character selection. Gameplay is just where you actually play the game. So like, if it was a free-for-all, that would be the gameplay, or team deathmatch, whatever. Lobby is the lobby. I don't think there's anything else that I've added. UI, obviously. But I'm just starting to get this set up. Hopefully I can get something working. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I've been following a tutorial from the Unreal Engine YouTube channel, which is very, very helpful, especially since I'm just now getting started with Unreal Engine, but I'm understanding the blueprints. Anyway, like I said, I'm just going to be doing short update videos since I'm working on a lot right now. I'm actually going to be using this template for 2 games at the same time. I am making an open world for my own Discord server, and I'll be making a fan game for a YouTuber. I will be giving him the game for him to distribute however he wants, whether it be over Steam or through Discord, just for the community I'm in. Just, you know, I really like his content, so why not give back? Then I'll start working on my game water. Once I get like a basic understanding of Unreal, I get more comfortable with it. I will be doing some mechanics. I just figured out how to retarget a mesh, so that's extremely helpful with animations. So I'll probably start doing basic mechanics here soon for water, and hopefully I can get a demo up and going so I can start my Kickstarter. I'll see you guys next week.